Got a good one today to share with you guys. A 2012 Chevy Express. This thing was cranking over strong, no start, no fuel pump operation. So I had no power coming to the fuel pump. I could command it on and it would run. And here's what I found. This ground strap between the engine block and the frame rail is corroded, causing that no start. So from the battery to the engine is good. The ground on the engine block is good, but the ground on the frame is not. So check this if you've got a no start, no fuel condition on one of these vans. If this thing's all greened out and corroded, it's most likely the culprit.